Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Look, 2 weeks in a row in this thing, and I'm coming to y'all with an unboxing. Today I am going to be partnering with Kaptivate.
Kaptivate is a skin and hair care line that was launched to produce good and affordable products with all natural ingredients. They promote beautiful skin and hair care for people of all colors and hope to meet the needs of those the current market may be overlooking. A link to their website will be in the description box below.
Alright, the reason why I'm super excited to be pairing with this brand is because they have all natural ingredients. It's super hard to try to find things that are actually natural and aren't too harsh on my skin in particular. And it's Black owned. Don't play with me, okay? We gotta represent for the girls. So we're gonna support the girls today. So let's get into this. So this is what the box looks like. They do have a sample pack, and this is what the sample pack looks like versus the bigger pack. So now I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when I first opened it up. And so they have a thank you note. Thank you guys, no problem. And you know, here's all their information on here. All right, and then it comes with this little card. Beauty products. So here we have all of the products that came inside of this package. It comes with the exfoliating scrub, the detoxifying facial mask, a moisturizing day cream. They also have the night cream, a hydrating toner, and a moisturizing facial cleanser. Okay, so first I'm going to be starting with the moisturizing facial cleanser. This is what it looks like. It's green tea and lactic acid. So let's see how this works. First of all, I want to smell it. If it don't smell good, I'm not putting it on, because when I go to sleep at night or when I wake up early in the morning, I need for it to smell good. It's definitely aloe vera jelly-y. I normally don't use cleansers on my face, but I also don't have a set skincare routine at the moment, so I'm going to mind my business. So first, let's see. So I'm supposed to be using a cotton ball, but I don't have a cotton ball in here right now. So I'm gonna use my hands, and y'all gonna let me use my hands. Okay. Is my face supposed to be wet? Let's see. I'm not sure, but I'm using my fingers. Okay, so let's pump this. Okay. Looks like, no, yeah, kinda. Well, this is what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna rub it in my hands. Y'all see that? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna rub it on my face. I just did 2 pumps, but honestly, the first pump was just to get it out. The second one would be too much if I have already used this before. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply this all around my face. I do not have any sort of like makeup or anything on, so I'm gonna be fine. Put it all over my face, and then I'm gonna wash it out. Okay, so I just washed off the cleanser, and I actually really like it. It doesn't really have like a strong smell or anything like that. You see? Yeah, it just, I don't know, it's like aloe vera-y. I don't know, it smells good, it's moisturizing. I don't know what to compare it to. I just know that there's definitely aloe vera in there. It doesn't have any sort of harsh scent, and I like that because I don't want for whatever I'm putting on my face or skin to clash with whatever fragrance I decide to wear for that day. So thumbs up on that. We don't need no perfumey smells. Next up, I have this exfoliant. So we are gonna put this scrub on. The scrub also doesn't have a scent. It says that there is green tea extract in it, but it just smells like nothing. This is a scrub, exfoliating scrub. Oh, okay, I see the stuff. I was confused for a second. I was like, this looks like shea butter or something. But no, it's definitely an exfoliator. I see the little beads in there. I just literally scooped a little bit, but I guess a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna rub it on my face. All right, I like this because it's not too harsh on my skin right now. There are some scrubs that I use and it's more scrub than moisturizer, and it's very harsh on my skin. Like, not only will I become super ashy, but then I'll be like super irritated. And if I did have like any sort of blemishes or bumps or even like a rash on my face, like my skin would be burning. Right now, I'm not really going through anything with my skin, but I know that when I do have like subtle breakouts, that I'd be able to use this. There are just some things that I just can't use on my face when my face is going through it. But I would definitely try to use this because it's very moisturizing, and also the beads inside of it are not extremely harsh like in most scrubs. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash this off. And let's do it. Okay, I just washed off the exfoliator. I really want y'all to see, like, I still have a little water on my face, but my face feels moisturized and it looks moisturized, okay? But that's not even the final step. I've only used the exfoliator. Now I'm getting ready to apply the toner. All of their products have green tea in it. I'm gonna smell this before I spray it on my face, because if I don't like the way it smells, it's not going on my skin. It smells clean. I like this. It smells very clean. Apply hydrating toner on freshly cleansed face using cotton ball. But see, I don't have a cotton ball at the moment, as I told y'all before. But we're just gonna, first I wanna see what toner feels like. What does this come out like? Okay, I am going to spray this on my face and I'm gonna see what it feels like. All right, I'm just gonna do it like this. And we're gonna mind our business as to why I don't have any cotton balls at the moment, okay? Thank you. The fourth and last step is daytime, so we're gonna use the moisturizing day cream, okay? They do have a night cream, as you guys saw before, but I mean, it's daytime, as you see the sun's out. So this says, massage a handful of cream onto your skin, allow your skin to fully absorb it, use every day for best results. Ooh, okay, I just opened it. This is what it looks like on the inside. You can't really see, but it's just a cream. I just dip my finger in there like this. And this is how much I'm gonna be using. Am I the only person who applies lotion on their face in an upward motion? I used to be a part of this modeling school called Barbizon, and I just remember I didn't learn anything else there. My, I guess, teachers and instructors would literally be like, you need to apply your lotion in an upward motion. I was like, what, 12? And then I ended up turning 13 while I was there. That was one thing that I always remembered. And they'd be like, you won't get any wrinkles on your forehead if you try to put on your lotion like this every day while you're still young. I feel like they're telling the truth, because when I raise my eyebrows like this, I don't have any wrinkles in my forehead. And I've literally been doing this since I was 13, and that was 11 years ago. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what my face looks like. Okay. Okay, so I just got done with the day cream. I really like the way that it feels. It's very lightweight on my skin, but I'm someone who likes a little bit of oil in it. I mean, if this was the summertime, this would be perfect. But with it being the fall time and winter is going to slowly approach and creep up on us, I would definitely need some oil. So I would still use this on a daily basis, but I would use it with maybe some shea butter or tea tree oil or something of that sort, just to give myself a little bit more shine, because I really like shine. I like to look like I'm taking my first grade pictures and my mom just put Vaseline on my face. Let me know if your mama did it to you. The two products that I did not use today are the moisturizing night cream. Of course, that's because I used the day cream instead. And I also did not use the detoxifying facial mask, because when I was reading the website, it said that this was supposed to be used at nighttime. So I'm gonna use it at nighttime. I need to put on some lip gloss because my lips was getting dry. Y'all not about to play me. Who else likes this type of lip? So I am gonna be giving a 1 month update on these products, as well as the 2 products that I did not get to use today because it's still daytime and these are nighttime products, or at least recommended to be used during the nighttime. Overall, I really do love these products. I just like the fact that they were lightweight, and I just feel like it's better for it to be lightweight on my skin than for it to be heavy, because how do I take that away? But I could always add more. The only thing that I would change about any of these products is the fact that the day cream was too light on my skin. Like, I just feel like my skin absorbed it all and left nothing for me. I mean, I feel like it still looks good, but for the look that I like to look a little more shiny, like my lip gloss, and it wasn't doing that for me. It wasn't giving me the glow, the natural glow that I like to have, but it definitely settled into my skin fairly easily, and I love that. So that is a plus. The facial cleanser, amazing, on point. I mean, it was soft on my skin. I like the fact that it didn't smell like anything, and my face still felt very... I like the fact that it actually felt like it was cleansing my skin. It wasn't too soapy, which is good, but it did lather the right amount. It wasn't extra, as I should put it. I have used some other kinds of facial cleansers that were just either too oily, like my face still felt oily, or they just didn't make my face feel fresh. And if this is something that I'm gonna use in the morning time, I need it to make me feel rejuvenated, alive, happy, you know? It needs to set up the vibe, the tone for the rest of the day. I feel like this cleanser definitely did that. I've never used a toner before. This is my first time using a hydrating toner. Again, it didn't have a scent, and I really like that because I don't want to put anything on my face that smells like something, because it's gonna clash with whatever fragrance I choose to use for the day. My favorite product of the 4 that I just used is definitely the facial scrub, and that's because I've had trouble finding a facial scrub that wasn't too harsh on my skin and wasn't too oily. This was neither of those things. I feel like it was very moisturizing. It didn't make my face look dry or even feel dry, and it didn't have a scent either. For sure, this is my favorite product that they have. This right here is their hydrating hair mist, and it says it has aloe vera and some essential herbs on it in it. Oh, this one smells pepperminty. I like it. I'm just gonna spray a little bit in my hair real quick. I actually like the smell. I don't really like putting a lot of scents on my body that might clash with my perfumes, but I mean, okay. I can get used to this. I don't think this is bad at all. It's definitely soft. Like, it's making my hair feel softer, and like it has like that cooling feeling. You know when you like have peppermint in your mouth, or even if you put peppermint on your skin and your hair, like it just, y'all know the feeling. It's like a tingly feeling, and that's the type of feeling that I'm getting from this. So fresh. And you can find all of this on their website. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box if you want access to any of these products. Also, you can find more information on the ingredients that are listed on the back of the bottle. And you can also find out more information about the company. If you guys do decide, and I feel like you should at least try it out, if you don't get anything else, you better get this facial scrub and you better get this facial cleanser. These 2 are my favorite. This one is my favorite of all. You can use my promo code, because you know I'm trying to help y'all save money. You can use my promo code, and I'm gonna leave that right here. Come on, right there. Hopefully you get the full pack, because at this point I don't know what your skin is doing. I just know what my skin does. And I mean, what didn't work for me might work for you, and what works for me may not work for you, but it's worth a try. I would definitely be purchasing from them again, and I'll definitely be using all of these products. I'm super excited because, like I said, the seasons are about to change, and I do need to have like a steady skincare routine since mine changes up all the time. But now I have more products to add to my list, and I have a full regimen right in front of me. That's what I'm gonna bring to y'all. I'm definitely gonna have an updated video in about a month, just letting you guys know how all of these products have been working for me, and if I've seen any changes in my skin, and if I have not, and the pros and cons to using this for an extended period of time. It's gonna be a very much so icy girl winter, so you want to have like your skin together. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay, because y'all be watching my videos but y'all don't be subscribing, and then also some of y'all be subscribing but not watching my videos. Pick a side at this point. Pick a side. May you be blessed and highly favored, and I will see you in the next video.